Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about business view. In this session, we'll discuss how to create a business view. So to complete this activity, we are going to use our table what we created last time. But before we do that, let me talk about what is business view. It's nothing but a logical view of the data from a table. So in the last session, we have created a custom table called F550101. So that's what we are going to use to create a business view. So I've created some sample business view here, but for this session, I'm going to create V550101C. So click the project where you want to create the business view. Then click on add. It will take you to the design screen and here select business view, click OK. So once we do that, so here we have to give a name. So all the business view started with letter V for Victor. So it will be V550101C. This is all column on F550101. Yeah. So that the description product code will gives 55, system code also we are going to use 55. Subject use, let's take the default 300. We'll talk about what other things available here, but if you look in the right side, there are two checkbox. One is text search and auto suggest. We'll talk about that later, but in this, like this session, it's pretty basic. We'll talk let's talk about that. Once you understand, then we'll go in deeper in the advanced section. So the object type will be BSVW. Click OK. Once we click OK, it will take you to the different screen. So business view is required, which you can later use in the interactive application or in the universal batch engine, the batch process or UBE we called. So that's where we need to use this business view to display the data or create some report. So now you'll see design tool category, install Morse code and attachment. So we'll click on design tool, then start business view design it. So then you'll see some create type definition. We'll talk about that later. But let's go very basic thing, what we need. And it will take to a screen like where we can select the table what we want to use. So in the business view, you can select one table or more than one table. So in this session, we'll just go simple. We'll just use one table. But as such, you can go maximum 15 table, but usually Oracle JD Edwards does not recommend to use that many. But 3 to 5 table you can go. But you have to keep in mind it will um, the performance wise it will have some impact. So if I look here, we are going to use F550101 table. So it will show you if that is available. So that way you can select other table as well. But we'll go with simple. Here the table join. So we are going with single table. We'll just drag this table and drop it here. Once we'll drop in this table join, so that is the window you are designating what table you are going to use. Once you drop here, you can see by default address book number field is selected, which is N8. The reason it and if you see the what are the selected column, you can see N8 address book number. That is because we do because that's the primary key. You can select other column you want. You can go with all column or you can go with selective column. So for this purpose, we are going to select all the columns. You can select one by one, but other quickest way just to right click here and click select all column. So once you select that, you can notice it will be added here. So click save here. Once you do that, it will save your business view definition. And so that completes, like, now your business view is created. So in this business view, what we did, we linked with F550101, the custom table what we created, and that's what we are going to use in our application design or batch process design. So so let's see. So I have already saved that business view definition. So once you are here, cancel out here. Once you take it here, now you can see if I'll do just find, and then basically I'm refreshing. So if you go over here, you can see your business view B550101C here. So then, so that is created now. So that completes how to create a business view. So if you want to know more details, so you can visit www.igayan.com. It is I Z for God, GAYAN .com. So that completes the session here. So I'll see you in the next session.